Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Just wanted to do a real quick video and show you what I got yesterday at my Tuesday morning is closing. In fact, most of the displays were gone. It was pretty empty and sad. They got 3 days left, so everything was 40 to 50% off. We do have another store, but it's in the town next to us, and it's not an extremely long trip, but I just never go out there, so maybe well, I'll have to make a point to do it now. But anyway, I got these napkins here, and these napkins say retail $6. Tuesday morning price $2.29. I got them for 92 cents. And this one also, which I may already have. It looks really, really familiar. This was also 92 cents, so that's cool. I got a couple of these. It says retail $6.99, our price $3.99, and I believe I paid $1.60 for these. These are the Tim Holtz Muse tokens, so they say genuine, courageous, wonderful, excellence, journey, forevermore, lifetime, knowledge, thoughts, moments, unique, and significant. So I did get 2 of those because that's all they had. I grabbed what I had. These were the only 2 floral napkins. All they had left was, I guess they're moving everything to the other store, so they're only selling some of the things. But the thing I was most excited about, because I told you guys the other day, I don't have any washi tape I like. And I never find Tim Holtz at my Tuesday morning anyway. So I was surprised. But they had this, which is the washi tape. Retails at $10. Their price $4.99. And I paid $2. So that was fun. And so I picked up 3 of these. This is the elementary collection. So it's got like lined, writing paper and a looks like a map. There's a like a report card. I don't know what that other one is, but yeah, I'll be using those. That one's really fun. So I got 3 of those, and I got everything they had as far as washi tape, because I thought, you know what, I'm going to use those. Then they had this one, which is called Chatter, and it's all words. So I was really excited about this one because I'm always looking for another place. Am I moving it too much to get words? I hope you can see that with the glare. They all come in these plastic containers, but they're, again, $2. So retail for 10, and probably Amazon for $12.99. But anyway, that is my little mini haul. So I'll have to venture out to the town next to us and see what I can rustle up. But right now, in rearranging my studio, what I'm finding is that I have too much stuff. So I need to stop buying stuff. And now I got to find a place for washi tape. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Hey everyone, just a sneak preview of what's coming up next. Also, I forgot to mention, I did a little short video of coffee dyeing, and I'm going to attach that to the end of this video. Nothing major. I have an HP OfficeJet Pro, which I have the Instant Ink subscription with. That's the main reason I bought an HP. I do not have any issues with ink running. I will print it one day and coffee dye it the next, but yeah, I've not had any issues with the ink running. I apologize for the lawnmower. My son beat me. Anyway, so coffee dyeing little snippet video will be next, and I'll see you next time.